how to make and create informational Instagram post on Canva PC. Hello guys, so all what you have to do is simple. Go to Canva and log into your account. Now go to the top and click on create a design. Click and search for Instagram post and click on Instagram post here. Now all what you have to do is go here and scroll all the way down, right here, all the way down until you find informational Instagram post. Click on see all and now choose one of these, for example this one, and here you can change everything from the photo and the text. Very easy and fast. There is also animated ones. After you finish, all what you have to do is go here and click download. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.